Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn Earth sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Capricorn. Your first card, Ten of Swords, Two of Swords, the Lovers. Yeah, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, lot of air energy is here, and the Lovers card is here, especially Gemini. And Ten of Swords, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, and Two of Swords, one person in this connection is at some crossroads. For some there is new beginning between you and your person. For some cycles are going to be end between both of you. And the Lovers card, definitely there is some intimacy between both of you. I think for sometimes the Lovers card is physical intimacy between two persons. The lovers are not always pure love, but it is also physical intimacy in some for some particular situations. Yeah, Two of Swords, one person is at crossroads. Ten of Swords, some cycles are going to be completed. Let's see some more. Three of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Nine of Wands. I think maybe you are ending cycles with your person, Capricorn, because you are guarded up. Nine of Wands, you are like this, you are protecting your heart, and yeah, because your person maybe lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely Seven of Swords, some sneaky energy. Seven of Swords is here. Three of Pentacles means there is no collaboration between both of you. There is no equal give and take. One person putting a lot of effort in this connection than the other person. Definitely there is no collaboration between both of you. That's why you are ending cycles with your person. I think for some there is partial separation, for some there is no contact. For some you are in no contact. Yes, Seven of Swords. Air energy, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see some more. The Strength, Six of Wands, Queen of Cups. Excuse me. The Strength, your person could be Leo. I think one person in this connection taking back their power, and Six of Wands, definitely they are getting success in their life, in every area of their life. And Queen of Cups, definitely one person has strong emotions for the other person in this connection. Energy could be vice versa because it is general reading. Yeah, one person in this connection is sneaky. I think it's your person, Capricorn. Your person is very sneaky in past. That's why you are protecting your heart. Nine of Wands, you are guarded up right now, and you are taking back your power. And Six of Wands, definitely you will get success. You are definitely working hard towards your success. And Queen of Cups, even though you have strong emotion for your person, you are guarded up because you want to protect your heart. You are taking back your power. Yes, you are taking your power back. Definitely. Six of Cups, King of Wands, and Ace of Swords. Yes, some communication. King of Wands, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. And Six of Cups, one person want reconciliation, and you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Six of Cups is here. Yeah, I think your person want reconciliation, I am getting, and your person really passionate about you. And Ace of Swords, definitely some truth coming out. Communication. Ace of Swords, truth coming out and communication. Definitely they want to communicate. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Yeah, but there is a lot of passion. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get more clarity. Yeah, first card, the Hanged Man, Chariot, the Devil. Yeah, your person is stuck right now. They are spiritually awakening, but if even though your person stuck, they want to take this relationship to next level. Chariot is here. Definitely they want some moment in this connection. And the devil, definitely you are your person Capricorn in this connection. They are obsessed over you, definitely. Capricorn, it's your card also. Definitely there is some obsession between both of you. You both are obsessed with each other, or one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. For some it could be third party also. So let's pull the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, Knight of Wands, Two of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to come towards you. Definitely they are very, very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion. Knight of Wands and Two of Cups, definitely they love you so much, and you love also, because Two of Cups means equal love is there between both of you. And Six of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer equal give and take this time. In past there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. So yeah, they are very, very passionate about you. They want to come towards you, and they want to offer equal give and take this time, Capricorn. Your person could be a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, no, 2 cards. Wow, Nine of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Five of Swords. Yeah. So you both are wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups is the connection card. Definitely you both are wishing for this connection. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely slow moving energy between both of you. And Eight of Wands, definitely some communication. You both will communicate in near future, and there will be back and forth communication between both of you. And Five of Swords, there are some disagreements between both of you, but that disagreements are going to be resolved. But that card is coming reverse. That's why those disagreements will disappear in near future. But it is very slow moving energy. At least you both will communicate back and forthly, because Eight of Wands is here and Nine of Cups. You both are wishing for this connection. Definitely some communication is going to be happen. I think communication is the key here. But your person really want to offer equal give and take this time, because Two of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. They love you, Capricorn. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. King of Swords, Knight of Swords, and King of Pentacles. Wow. Yeah, Capricorn, definitely you are very straightforward, and you are very honest, and you are very committed in this connection. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, because King of Swords is always straightforward, and they always want to give clarity, and they are always straightforward. And the Knight of Swords, yeah, you are very like, I think you are very passionate also about your person. And King of Pentacles, definitely you already gave stability to this connection and want to offer stability to this connection. You put 100% effort in this connection, Capricorn. Definitely you are very, very honest. Some communication, definitely Eight of Wands with King of Swords. You also want to give some clarity to your person this time. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ten of Cups, the Emperor, and Three of Wands. And this could be long distance relationship. You and your person maybe live in different states, different countries, and different cities. And the Emperor, definitely your person want to offer stability to this connection, and now they are like this. In past there may be some sneaky energy, Seven of Swords, but after the transformation they will become like this. And Ten of Cups, he's here. Definitely they want to offer, Ten of Cups, a happy life. They want a happy life with you. They want to offer this Ten of Cups to you. They are wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups, you both are wishing for the same, but it is slow moving energy, because Three of Wands is waiting game. Definitely you both are waiting for first move to take towards each other. Definitely you waiting for your person, and your person is waiting for you, I am getting, because Knight of Pentacles is here. Very slow moving energy. When you both will communicate, definitely those disagreements will be resolved. So definitely your person want to offer stability this time, and they want to offer equal give and take this time, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Bye.